Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 methods to make money online in 2023. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for some extra cash, this video is for you. Method 1. Online surveys and market research. Method number 1 is taking online surveys and participating in market research. Companies are always looking for consumer opinions and insights, and they're willing to pay for it. You can sign up for survey websites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, or Vendale Research and start earning money today. How it works: you'll receive surveys in your email inbox and can choose which ones you want to complete. Each survey takes anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes and pays anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars. Some surveys even offer a chance to win cash prizes or gift cards. Pros: it's easy and requires no special skills. You can do it from the comfort of your own home. It's a great way to make some extra cash in your free time. Cons: the pay is relatively low. You won't get rich taking surveys. But, if you're looking for a way to make some extra cash in your free time, online surveys are a great option. Method 2. Freelance work. Method number 2 is freelance work. With the rise of the gig economy, there's never been a better time to start freelancing. You can offer your skills and services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer and start earning money today. How it works: you create a profile on the platform, list your skills and services, and start bidding on jobs. You can offer services like graphic design, writing, programming, or virtual assistants, just to name a few. The more skills you have, the more opportunities you'll have to earn money. Pros: you can work from anywhere in the world. You can set your own rates and work on your own schedule. You can choose which projects you want to work on. Cons: there's a lot of competition. It can take time to build a reputation and a steady stream of work. You need to be highly skilled and reliable to succeed. But, if you're willing to put in the time and effort, freelancing is a great way to make a living online. Method 3. Affiliate marketing. Method number 3 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products. You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, or ShareSale and start earning money today. How it works: you promote the products on your website, blog, or social media and receive a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. The commission varies depending on the product and the affiliate program, but it can range from a few cents to several $100s per sale. Pros: you don't have to create your own products. You can earn a passive income. You can promote products that you're passionate about. Cons: it takes time and effort to build a large enough audience to make significant money. There's a lot of competition. You need to know how to drive traffic to your website or blog. But, if you're willing to put in the time and effort, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to make money online. Method 4. Selling digital products. Method number 4 is selling digital products. With the rise of the internet, there's never been a better time to sell digital products like ebooks, courses, or printables. You can sell your products on platforms like Etsy, Teachable, or Sellfy and start earning money today. How it works: you create a product, upload it to the platform, and start promoting it to your audience. The beauty of digital products is that they can be sold over and over again, so you can earn passive income. Pros: you don't have to worry about shipping and handling. You can earn a passive income. You can sell products that you're passionate about. Cons: it takes time and effort to create a high-quality product. There's a lot of competition. You need to know how to drive traffic to your product. But, if you're willing to put in the time and effort, selling digital products can be a great way to make money online. Method 5. Starting a YouTube channel. Method number 5 is starting a YouTube channel. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is one of the largest social media platforms in the world. You can start a YouTube channel and start earning money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise today. How it works: you create a channel, upload high-quality videos, and grow your audience. Once you have a large enough audience, you can start monetizing your channel through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Pros: you can reach a large audience. You can earn a passive income. You can build a community around your channel. Cons: It takes time and effort to grow your channel. There's a lot of competition. You need to be creative and produce high-quality content. But, if you're willing to put a lot of effort and work, starting a YouTube channel can be a great way to make money online. And those are the top 5 methods to make money online in 2023. Whether you choose to take online surveys, freelance, do affiliate marketing, sell digital products, or start a YouTube channel, there's never been a better time to start making money online. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. See you in the next video.